Hi everyone, it's Miss Scotney again with another art project that you can do this weekend. So the art project I have today is we're going to make trees with cherry blossoms. So I'm going to show you everything you need first. So you need some red paint, yellow paint, and green paint. I already have mine on a little plate here, just like this. Next, you're going to need just a white piece of paper. You're going to need a brown marker and a black marker. And you also need, for me, I have 12 Q-tips, just like this. You're going to have a bundle of Q-tips, 12 of them, in either a rubber band or a hair tie. So to make our little object that we're going to use, we're going to put all the Q-tips together, just like this. And we're going to grab our hair tie and do it right around the Q-tips, like 3 or 4 times so it's tight. This is what we're going to use to make our cherry blossoms. So this is our little tool we have. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make our tree. So I'm going to show you. So we're going to just do a line down the middle, another line down the middle. I do about 3 or 4 of these lines. That looks good to me. Then I'm going to do some branches on our tree. So the branches, you can do 1 or 2 lines. So I'm going to do maybe 1 and 2 more up here. Okay, and then I think I'm going to do 1 more. And I'll do it up here. Okay, so my tree looks just like this. Add just another branch on the top. Okay, so my tree looks just like this. If you can see it, looks just like this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are actually going to mix our paint. So you may need a spoon for this. We're going to mix some of our red and yellow paint. And does anyone know what color that makes? That makes pink. So I'm going to use a spoon and mix some of my red and yellow paint together. Makes a little bit, it's an orangish pink. Okay, and then we also still have green paint. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our black marker and we're going to write our name at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to write Miss Scotney. Like we usually do on all our art projects, just like this. See? On the bottom of the page right here. Okay, now we can put our markers away. We don't need those anymore. And we can grab our little Q-tip tool that we just made earlier. We're going to grab those and we're going to dip them just like I have here. Put it in the camera. In our mixed paint of red and yellow, which makes like an orangish color, an orangish pink. We're going to dip the Q-tips in, and then we're just going to put them right around the branches. And they're going to start making little dots. Going to start forming our tree. And maybe I even want to just grab some of my yellow and make some yellow ones in the middle of my orange ones. Maybe I'll do some yellow ones over here. Okay, and maybe I'll add a little bit of my red to my tree. You really don't need that much paint, just a little bit, to make sure you can see your Q-tips making the circles. Okay, and maybe I'll do a little bit more of the orange on this side. Okay, And maybe I will also add a little bit of green to my tree. Again, we don't need that much. So I'm just going to put a little bit of green around here. My tree is many colors that we just made. A lot of nice spring and bright colors. And if you want, you can add a bottom to your tree. I did not. Mine's just the stump of the tree. But you can add some grass or flowers if you want to. But I will show you. This is my finished tree. And this is what it looks like when you're all done. So it looks like a nice colorful tree with red, yellow, green, and a little bit of orangish pink in there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed doing this art project, and I can't wait to talk to you guys again soon. I miss you guys. Bye-bye.